students, welcome to the first part or the first video lesson of lesson number 13. Name of the lesson, as you can see, you all know, our neighborhood. Yesterday I told you to go through it, the first page up to here. I hope you all have gone through. You all have completed the previous lessons. You all have learned the question answers, exercises, everything. Now, one more thing. On Saturday, we are going to have a test. Same lesson 1 and 2. I had given you the notes, PDF notes of lesson 1 and 2. So you have to revise it because on Saturday, we'll be having a test. So prepare for that. Now, moving to the lesson. Name of the lesson, as you can see, is Our Neighborhood. What are the key points that we are going to cover in this lesson? So the meaning of neighbors. What do we understand when we say neighbors? Meaning of neighborhood. These are two different things. Neighbors and neighborhood, they are two different things. Helping one another. What is the meaning of helping one another in neighborhood? We will see. Community life. What is community life? That also we will see in this lesson. A clean and green neighborhood. What is the meaning of a clean and green neighborhood? This thing will also we will see in this particular lesson. Now let us see what this girl is saying. Gupta uncle and auntie and their children Tanu and Manu are our neighbors. Our families are great friends. So what this girl is saying, in her locality, there is one family, the Gupta family, and they have two children. Name of those two children is Tanu and Manu. And what is she saying? She is saying that they are our neighbors. Their families are great friends. This girl's family and that Gupta family, they are great friends, very good friends. Let us see what this boy is saying. Our family has shifted into our new house and there is no one staying nearby. I feel very lonely. This boy, earlier he was living at some place and now he has moved to a new place because of whatever the reason may be. And in this new area, there is no new house, no neighbors. That is why he is feeling lonely. So you must have got a rough idea about what we are going to see in this lesson. So let us start from here. Gurmeet's family lives in a residential colony. Gurmeet, name of a boy. They are living in a residential colony. You know what is the meaning of colony? Colony, we can say the group of houses that people used to live. Residential colony, when we say, that means that is the colony is used for residential purpose, to live by the people. So Gurmeet's family lives in a residential colony. Now, moving further, all the important places are very close to Gurmeet's house. All the important places, for example, you can see here in this figure, the fire station, hospital, post office, police station, school, library, everything is very close to Gurmeet's house. See, Gurmeet's house is circled with red ink here. So Gurmeet's house is very close to everything, all the important places that we need in our day-to-day life. So what is saying? All the important places are very close to Gurmeet's house. Now, the people near his house are very friendly and helpful. Obviously, if he's living in a residential colony, there must be so many families apart from his family. So they are very friendly and they are very helpful. Gurmeet's family is very happy to live here. And Gurmeet's family, they are very happy to live there. They have come from some other place, some other city to a new place, and they are very happy to live there. Why? Because the people around them, the people those who are living in the near houses, they are very friendly and helpful, and that is why Gurmit's family is very happy. This is a picture of the Gurmit's neighborhood. Note the places which are near his house. As you can see, I have explained, this one is Gurmit's house according to the figure, so circled with red ink. And all the important places, by saying important places we mean police station, post office, fire station, hospital, school and library. All the important things that we need in our day-to-day life, they are very close to his apartment, his residential colony. So now one thing is here that it's said is the people near his house are very friendly and helpful. So how a neighbor should be? It should be friendly and helpful. So now what are the things? Next we have topic neighbors and neighborhood. We will understand the meaning of neighbors and neighborhood in the next video. Till then, what you have to do, you have to go through it. Go through the whole chapter. Now, I have explained up to here. Now, if there is any question or any doubt in your mind, you can ask me in the comment section of the video. Also, you can send me a question in the school app. Also, we are having the online classes. We will be having today also and tomorrow also for 3C and D. There also you can ask if you have any doubt. So till then, study well. Thank you.